If I was a superhero, my name would be Boat Boy. He would wear a white button up with a boat in the middle and blue tights. I had to have red hair, essentially red braids, and golden gloves with gold teeth. My superpowers would be X-ray vision, flying, and teleportation. My kryptonite would be vegetables. I hate vegetables. So Boat Boy's sidekick is Pizarre. And Pizarre loves pizza. Pizarre wears red underwear with polka dots. No, yellow underwear with red pepperonis on it. He can shoot out cheese and he can bake things. And he can turn anything into pizza. Because Boat Boy and Pizarre love pizza. Boat Boy works as a milkman in suburban areas. Old milk jars, and he wears a white suit. No, no. Boat Boy is in the Navy. He's a sailor. It ties in. He's a sailor, and his real name is Darnell Boat. And he wears a low black cut. And it's so weird because when he puts on his uniform, his hair grows like 9 inches, and it turns red. Boat Boy's arch nemesis is Titanic. He sinks ships. Yeah. He has like hella boats, like speed boats and like rafts and canoes, and but they have super tricks, like they can fly and they turn into robots. Oh my gosh, this is so fucking amazing. Boat Boy does zero drugs. He drinks zero. He's he's actually a spokesman for True on don't non-tobacco. At the end of the day, he calls his wife, Mrs. Boat, to bring him in a large platter of cinnamon sticks. Lil Yachty, you know what I'm saying? But my superhero is Boat Boy.